What is graphic? A graphic is an image or visual representation of an object. What is graphic design? Graphic design is a craft where professionals create visual content to communicate messages. By applying visual hierarchy and page layout techniques, designers use typography and pictures to meet user-specific needs and focus on the logic of displaying elements in interactive designs, to optimize the user experience. A graphic designer's work may include the following: typography, photography, illustration. Typography. Typography is a medium for the communication of ideas using typefaces, symbols, and layout techniques. The style of design chosen reflects the client or employer. Graphic design is the process of visual communication and problem-solving through the use of typography, photography, and illustration. Graphic designers create graphics primarily for published, printed, or electronic media, such as brochures and advertising. Photography. Graphic design is all about using images and text to create a cohesive and visually appealing piece of art. And for centuries, photography has been one of the most important tools in graphic design. Photographic images can help to communicate ideas quickly and effectively, and they can also add an interesting visual element to a design. In addition, modern graphic designers often use Photoshop or other photo editing software to manipulate photographic images, creating even more possibilities for visual expression. As a result, photography is an essential tool for any graphic designer. Illustration. Graphic design is a form of art that uses images, typography, and space to communicate ideas. Graphic designers use illustration to create visuals for their designs. Illustration can add interest and visual appeal to a design, communicate an idea or story, or create a specific mood. What is computer graphics? Computer graphics is the practice of utilizing computer systems and software to create images, patterns, graphs, and other objects. Computer images serve an important purpose in nearly all digital activities. You're looking directly into the heart of graphics while you're visiting a website on your computer, watching a sport on your smartphone, or watching a film on TV. How many types of computer graphics? Computer graphics contains two types. They are raster, bitmap, graphics, vector graphics. What is raster, bitmap, graphics? Raster graphics are digital images represented by a matrix or grid of pixels commonly called a bitmap. Each pixel or dot displays a unique color, and together all of these colored dots create an image. Every pixel in a bitmap is stored as one or more bits in computer memory. Raster graphics with a greater number of colors and pixels will require more bits and take up more memory. File formats for raster images. Raster files are saved in various formats: .png, portable network graphic, .jpg, joint photographic expert group, .gif, graphics interchange format, .pdf, portable document format, TIFF, tagged image file format, .psd, Adobe Photoshop document. What is vector graphics? A vector graphic is a computer-made image that is made up of points, lines, and curves that are based on mathematical equations, not pixels. 1. Vector graphics produce professional-looking branding. They are a big part of most printed or published materials. Logos, for example, should always have a vector format. Those smooth lines and shapes produce the best quality printed materials, having a solid, consistent color and crisp, clear text. You can use your vector logo huge on a billboard, small for your pens, or for a screen-printed t-shirt. Icons and more illustrated-looking artwork is also good to have in vector files. 2. Vector graphics will save your graphic designer time. This will save you money and produce higher quality results. 3. Vector files do not lose quality. JPG and other pixel-based files will lose file data every time they are opened and saved. File formats for vector images. Vector files can be saved or edited in these formats: .pdf, portable document format, only when saved from vector programs; .svg, scalable vector graphic; Adobe Illustrator document; .eps, encapsulated PostScript. Thank you for watching.